Preserving the heritage of home gardening is really important to us. We are lifelong gardeners and have come to understand the importance of working the soil, planting the seeds, and gathering the harvest. The best way to preserve heirloom varieties like the ones our grandparents grew is for gardeners to keep growing them. That's why we choose open pollinated heirloom seeds. Our planter's library is full of gardening know-how that we've learned along the way. We love donating seeds to organizations who grow food for those in need, or better yet, teach them how to grow their own. This is why we exist as a seed company.
Our home, sweet